BRAINCOM presents. Do you ever wonder if you're more attractive than you think? We often underestimate our attractiveness, trapped by societal standards or our own insecurities. But attractiveness is more than just physical appearance. It's about your personality, confidence, and how you treat others. This video is here to help you identify the signs that suggest you might be more attractive than you believe. These signs are subtle yet powerful indicators of your allure. So let's dive into the 10 signs that you're more attractive than you think. The first sign is that people often look at you. Here's a little secret about human nature. Our eyes are naturally drawn to things we find appealing. This holds true whether we're looking at a beautiful sunset, a piece of exquisite art, or an attractive person. In social situations, when you find people's eyes lingering on you, it's often because they find something about you attractive. It could be your physical features, your style, or even the energy you radiate. Attraction isn't always about physical beauty. It encompasses so much more. People could be drawn to your charisma, your confidence, or your unique way of seeing the world. The point is, if you notice that people often look at you, it's not always because you have something stuck in your teeth. So, if you find people often stealing glances at you, it could be a sign that you're more attractive than you think. The second sign is that you receive lots of compliments. Now, this might seem obvious, but it's something people often overlook. Compliments are a way for others to express their admiration or appreciation, and if you're getting a fair share of them, it's a strong indicator of your attractiveness. Whether it's about your sparkling eyes, your radiant smile, your unique style, or your captivating personality, compliments are a reflection of how others perceive you. They see something in you that's worthy of praise. It's a testament to your allure, your charisma, and yes, your attractiveness. But remember, it's not just about physical compliments. Compliments about your kindness, your intelligence, your sense of humor. These are signs of your inner beauty shining through, making you attractive in more ways than one. So don't brush off these compliments. Embrace them, cherish them. They're a reflection of your beauty, both inside and out. Next time you receive a compliment, remember, it could be a sign of your attractiveness. The third sign is that you're rarely single. There's something to be said about the allure of those who are seldom without a partner. Attractive individuals often find less difficulty in finding partners. It's as if they possess a magnetic pull that draws others towards them. It's not always about physical attractiveness, mind you. It could be the charm, the wit, the charisma, or a combination of all these traits that make them irresistible to others. If you're the kind who bounces back easily from a breakup and finds themselves in a new relationship soon after, this might be a sign that you're more attractive than you think. Remember, attraction is not just about looks. It's about the entire package, your personality, your character, your intelligence, and how you treat others. So if you find yourself often in relationships, consider it a sign of your attractiveness. The fourth sign is that people are generally nice to you. Now let's delve into why. It's a fascinating aspect of human psychology that we tend to be more amiable towards those we find attractive. This isn't necessarily about romantic attraction, but more about the inherent human tendency to be drawn towards beauty, symmetry, and balance. When people are consistently pleasant around you, it could be a subtle hint of their unconscious recognition of your attractiveness. They might not even realize it, but their demeanor changes, their words become kinder, and their actions more considerate. It's almost as if your attractiveness casts a charming spell, nudging people to show their nicer side. This pleasantness can manifest in various forms. It might be a smile from a stranger, a friend going the extra mile for you, or even a boss being more patient with your errors. So take a moment, reflect on your interactions. If people are often kind to you, they might be responding to your attractiveness. The fifth sign is that people mimic your behavior. Yes, it's as fascinating as it sounds. This is a subtle and often unconscious form of flattery that is rooted deep in our social interactions. Our brains are wired with something called mirror neurons. These neurons fire not only when we perform an action, but also when we observe someone else do the same. This mirroring is a way we connect with others, understand their actions, and yes, express attraction. So, if you notice your colleagues starting to use the same catchphrases as you, or your friends picking up your unique laugh, or even someone mirroring your body language during a conversation, it's not a coincidence. They might be unconsciously signaling their admiration for you, their attraction to your persona. Remember, imitation is the highest form of flattery. So keep an eye out for those who start to mimic you. It could be a sign you're more attractive than you think. The sixth sign is that you get asked out a lot. Now, this might seem like an obvious one, But it's more nuanced than just the sheer number of dinner or coffee invites you receive. It's about the consistency, the variety of people who show interest, and the situations in which you find yourself being asked out. You see, attractive people tend to magnetize others towards them. They spark interest, curiosity, and yes, often invitations to spend more time together. If you notice that you're being asked out more frequently than your peers, or in situations where it's not the norm, it might just be a sign of your allure. But let's not forget, attractiveness isn't just about physical appeal. It's a combination of your charm, your wit, your personality, and how you carry yourself. So, if you're being asked out a lot, it might not just be about how you look, but who you are as a person. Remember, being asked out frequently might be an indicator that you're more attractive than you think. The seventh sign is that you have been told you're attractive. Now, this may seem pretty straightforward, but let me tell you, it's not always easy to accept compliments, especially when they're about your appearance. You see, when someone tells us we're attractive, it's a direct expression of their attraction towards us. It's a bold move, a clear sign that you appeal to them. And it's not just about the physical. Attractiveness can be a blend of your charisma, your humor, your intellect, and yes, your physical features too. You might brush these compliments off, attributing them to politeness or flattery. But here's the thing. People don't just throw around words like attractive for the sake of it. If someone has mustered up the courage to tell you that you're attractive, it's because they genuinely believe it. So if people tell you that you're attractive, believe them. The eighth sign is that you're confident. Confidence is like a magnet. It naturally draws people in. It's not just about how you look. It's about how you feel about yourself. It's about holding your head high, owning your strengths, and not being afraid to show the world who you really are. Confidence speaks volumes about your attractiveness. It's that inner belief that you're capable, you're worth it, and you deserve to be noticed. It's not cockiness, it's not arrogance. It's a quiet assurance, a calm yet powerful presence that commands respect and attention. When you're confident, you radiate a kind of beauty that goes beyond physical appearance. You shine from the inside, and that glow is what truly captivates people. So if you feel good about yourself, if you're comfortable in your own skin, if you're confident, then that's a clear sign of your attractiveness. Remember, your confidence can be a clear indicator of your attractiveness. The ninth sign is that you have a positive attitude. A positive attitude is like a beacon of light that draws people in. It's a sign of inner beauty that radiates outward, making you more attractive to others. But what does it mean to have a positive attitude? It's more than just being happy. It's about being optimistic, hopeful, and resilient in the face of life's challenges. It's about seeing the silver lining in every cloud and believing in the power of possibility. A positive attitude is also about being kind, compassionate, and understanding towards others. It's about lifting people up, not putting them down. It's about being a source of joy and inspiration, not a source of negativity and despair. So if you find yourself always looking on the bright side of life, always striving to be better, always being there for others, then you might be more attractive than you realize. Your positive attitude might be making you more attractive than you think. The 10th sign is that people respect you. Respect is a powerful indicator of attractiveness. It's not just about physical appeal or charisma, but the magnetism of personality, the strength of character, and the depth of your values. When people respect you, they value your opinions, consider your feelings, and appreciate your contributions. They listen when you speak and value your perspective. Being respected doesn't necessarily mean you're always in agreement with everyone. It signifies that your thoughts and actions carry weight and importance. You are seen as someone whose ideas are worth considering, whose feelings are worth acknowledging, and whose presence is worth appreciating. Respect is a reflection of the person you are, your integrity, your authenticity, and your behavior towards others. It's about the way you treat people, the way you handle situations, and the way you carry yourself. When you command respect, it radiates an attractive energy that draws people towards you. Remember, respect from others can be a clear sign of your attractiveness. So, those are the 10 signs that you're more attractive than you think. From the frequent glances and compliments to the mimicry of your behavior and constant respect. You're rarely single, and you're often asked out. People are generally nice to you, and you've been told you're attractive. These signs all point to your allure. It's not just about looks. Your confidence and positive attitude enhance your attractiveness. Remember, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, and you might be more attractive than you think. Stay confident, stay positive, and keep shining. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So then you get notified of our next post. Also, to learn about many other interesting topics, be sure to check our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.